can hold her own.
Okay.
Oh, he is the most fearless dog I have ever had. Nothing bothers him. Nothing. Missouri. Yep. He rode on a plane. Yep. We've had him for exactly a week.
Very nice.
And he's taken over the entire house.
I wonder how big he'll get. I don't think they get much over 20 pounds.
Here, Maggie. Good.
Oh yeah, he's a scrappy little bit.
Ready? Go find it.
Barks
Oh.
chickens. Boy, this is fun. This is fun.
Oh, they'll be so tired. Down.
And we have 2 labs.
Oh really?
The one who's 13, who I got.
There, Maggie. You feel comfortable? And what are the crazy two? Look at them. Those are good playmates. Maggie, you're going to do it a little bit. I know you. Hi, sweetie. How are you? Okay.